What if I told you that something we thought impossible is now within reach? What if technology could touch the very essence of who we are, our soul? It sounds like science fiction, right? But with rapid advancements in AI, the line between technology and spirituality is blurring. For centuries, the soul has remained a mystery explored by philosophers and theologians. Now imagine if we could transfer this essence, this soul, to a machine. Recent breakthroughs in AI are making us rethink what's possible. Could this technology become a reality in our lifetime? The concept of soul transfer is not new. It's been a recurring theme in mythology, religion, and literature for centuries. From ancient Egyptian beliefs to modern sci-fi, the idea of transferring consciousness has captivated us. What was once fantasy is now explored in science thanks to AI. AI systems can mimic speech, recognize emotions, even create art. These advancements suggest AI can replicate aspects of the human spirit.
Key research is in brain-computer interfaces. Scientists are developing devices to read and interpret brain activity. Imagine a future where thoughts and memories are stored like data. This data could be uploaded to a new or synthetic body.
So how could AI actually facilitate soul transfer? While we're still a long way from a complete understanding of consciousness, AI is providing new tools to explore this uncharted territory. Imagine a highly advanced AI system that could map the neural connections in your brain. This system could create a detailed model of your unique cognitive patterns, memories, and personality traits, essentially a digital blueprint of your soul.
This digital essence could then be transferred to a new physical form, whether it's a biological body or a synthetic one. This new body, imbued with your unique essence, would theoretically become you, complete with your memories, emotions, and experiences. Of course, this raises the question, what happens to the original soul? Does it cease to exist? Is it duplicated? These are questions that science can't yet answer, but the very fact that we're asking them shows how far we've come in our exploration of consciousness and the potential of AI.